Students, start with a new chapter number 6, statistics. It carry 8 marks in board examinations. It is a base of, it was a base about 9 standard, but in 9 standard you saw mean, median and mode. But that mean, median, mode and here in this 10 standard mean, median, mode are very different. In we start with the mean. What was the formula for mean in 9 standard? Sum of all observation divided by total number of observation, and they given one data. It was in 9 standard. But here it is a chart given, and from the chart we have to find the mean. So 6.1 total depends upon mean, then 6.2 depends upon median, then 6.3 depends upon mode, like that. So we will start with the 6.1, but before starting with the 6.1 there are three formulas, important three formulas. So I will make three parts. These three formulas are very important. Mean 6.1 total upon mean, but in mean there are again three types of mean or three methods of mean. First method is known as a direct method. Then here assume mean method, and last step deviation method. If you read the textbook carefully, you come to know there are three types of. In 6.1 also there are three types. In examination, if they ask by this method, then solve answer mean by this method only. Otherwise marks will cut. If they ask for by this method, then this method only. If they not ask by any method, so what is easy is the direct method is very easy. If they mention direct method, then direct method. Direct method is easy than these two. Okay. So first I am bifurcate the sums, which is depends upon this method. Direct method. If you read the question first, they have the mention for their studies by direct method. So direct method sums are sum number first. Then second sum, assuming method. So I am writing here 6.1 second sum by assuming method. I just bifurcate the sums. Then third sum again direct method. If you read the question carefully, it is clear cut written. Solved, find the mean of mean solved by direct method. Then here sum number 4 assuming method. So I am writing here. Sum number 5 step deviation method. So 6.1 fifth sum depends upon step deviation method, and sum number 6 also. So this exercise complete. Complete means we can make up parts. So now come to problem set, because we have to solve problem set also. So in problem set number 6, how many sums of mean? See, sum number 2, find the mean. Page number 165, sum number 2, find the mean. Here they not mentioned by any method. So what is the easy? Direct method is easy. You come to know afterwards. So problem set 6, sum number 2, direct method. Again, sum number 3, they not mention the method. That means first method is easy. So third sum also. Then find the mean of weekly wages. Sum number 4 also. Then fifth sum again they not mention. Then 6 is a median. Median is 6.27 median. Then mode. Okay. So these are the total sums which is in a textbook. It depends upon mean. But in mean again there are three types. So I will start with the chart. How is the simple way to remember this chart? See, for direct method there are 4 columns. First class is given, which is given here. Frequency, which is also given in the textbook. So Fi, here class mark Xi. So here Fi Xi. There are 4 columns are required. In assuming method, column will increase by 1. So first again class, here class mark same Xi. Here you require di xi minus a. Now what is di, what is a, you will come to know while taking the sums. Here frequency fi, and here fi into di. So into sign is there, but we cannot write. Then here last again one column will increase, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here class which is given, here class mark xi, here di xi minus a, di xi minus a. Here u required, u is equal to di upon g, and here frequency fi, and here fi ui. Now what is ui, what is g, we will come to know while taking sums. Now formula, your formula, simple formula is there for mean by direct method. X bar is equal to summation, is called as a summation fi xi, summation of fi. Now here formula, first formula for d bar fi di, summation of fi di, summation is total upon fi. Then mean formula here, x bar is equal to a plus d bar. Okay, a plus, where a is known as a assumed mean, a is known as a assumed mean. Then here formula, u bar is equal to summation of fi ui upon fi. Formula is there. Mean formula, x bar is equal to a plus g u bar. So formula. Now what is g? G is nothing but difference between class, difference between class. And what is a? Same, a is nothing but assumed mean. So solve these all sums, we have to by heart this chart. This chart is very important. Again I am repeating, there are mean are three types: 9 standard mean and 10 standard mean, totally different, no link, only word is same, but sums are totally different. So we require these three formulas, very important formula, and three. If you by heart this chart, you can solve 6.1 and problems, some from problem set. First copy this chart.